Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In Python, one-liners are very popular. Today, let's talk about 5 popular Python one-liners. Let's start with reversing a string. To reverse a string, we can use slicing method. If a string is hello, then if I want to reverse this string, we can use slicing method. Just mention string name and here slicing like this. So we'll get reverse string in one line. The syntax of slicing is like this. We need to mention the string, start, stop and step. The step controls the direction of iteration. -1 means move one step backward at a time. Here start and end is not specified. So Python start at the end of the sequence and stops at the beginning of the sequence. Okay, so we can reverse a string in a single line using this slicing method. You can write like this also. Next one is to print numbers from 1 to 100. For this we can use range function, print function and unpacking. So we'll write like this: print star and range from 1 to 101. So we'll get number from 1 to 100. Here you can see the numbers. So this star is an unpacking operator. Range of 1 to 101 generates number from 1 to 100. Star is unpacking operator, unpacks the element in the range and passes them to print function as separate arguments which are printed with spaces in between. So in print function, default separator is space, right? So it will include space between the numbers. So we'll get output like this. If I want to print multiple numbers in a range, we can write like this. Next one is to add numbers from 1 to 100. So for this we can use sum function and range function. Sum range from 1 to 101. So it will give us the total. It will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 100 and the total sum is 5050. Next one. If I want to print squares of numbers 1 to 10, then I can use list comprehension method for that. So here we need to write the action, that is we want to square the numbers. So I'll use exponent operator. For x in, I want 1 to 11. So we'll get the squares of numbers 1 to 10. Here you can see. We can do it in one line using list comprehension method. And next one, I want to sort list of numbers. We can do this in one line using sorted function. Just use sorted like this, then write the list. And here you can see the sorted list. So these are the few commonly used Python one-liners. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.